Hi, this is Bruce, the creator of TRÜ Spray Systems. Thank you for your purchase and congratulations on being part of the TRÜ crew. Now let's get started setting up your new system. Whether you bought the 1.75 gallon Splash, the 3 gallon OASIS, or the 2.5 gallon HYDRA, we're going to show you how to set this system up. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the setup of the TRÜ Spray Systems OASIS. So first we're going to take the battery charger out. We're going to take our battery, we're going to unbox that, and we're going to stick it in there to get it charged, to get a full charge on there. In the meantime, we'll take our OASIS bag out and we'll attach it to the indicator side of your TRÜ tank. Fold that under and over, snap it in. Then we're going to take our quick disconnect and connect, pull up on that, and then push down, clicking it to lock. Next, we'll take our charged battery, which we'll know by the green indicator. We'll take that out. We'll open this up. Stick your battery inside the pouch. Close that up nice and tight. Next, you'll notice that there's no air pressure valve because this tank does not need pressure to run. You can open this up while it's running. Put your favorite slip solutions in there or adjust your slip solutions on the go. Putting that back on. Most important, while using the TRÜ Spray system, you want to minimize the back pressure by opening up the pressure relief valve, leaving it open while using your system. We'll take our hose strap holder off, releasing our hose. Getting ready to spray now. We're going to turn the off switch to on. It self-primes. Once it stops, it's ready to go. Now we can spray. When we're done, we want to turn the off and release the pressure by spraying out the hose. And that's it. You're ready to go TRÜ spraying.